Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PunjabiAnonymous. My name is Sanudano and in this channel I am uploading my video tutorials about latest tools, ethical hacking, penetration testing, cracking etc. mostly based upon Termux Android for educational and research purposes only. I am not responsible for any kind of misusing of these tools or information in the case of criminal activities to break the federal laws, and I won't do any hacking cracking for you, so stop sending those emails please.
Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe at my channel and like, comment, share.